Hello mga ka-kitchen! Welcome back to Kitchen Time with Ana. Masarap humigop ngayon ng mainit-init na sabaw. Kaya tara, gawa tayo nitong milky chicken cabbage miso soup. Let's start! So first, i-marinate lang natin yung 1/2 kilo ng chicken thigh with some salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Isi-set aside lang natin to for 15 minutes. Then afterwards, magpainit na kayo ng inyong pan. Put some cooking oil and isi-sear lang natin ito until mag-brown on both sides. For the veggies naman, kailangan natin ng isang napa cabbage and 1 carrots. Slice lang natin to into half. Then tanggalin natin yung dulong bahagi na matigas. Then slice natin to into about 2 inches thick. Pagdating naman sa carrots, slice natin to into half moon once na natanggal na natin yung mga balat. And kung sakaling ganito ang inyong carrots, huwag kayong matakot sa ganitong itsura ng carrots. Very organic nga to mas masarap siyang kainin. Kapag okay na ang lahat, ililipat lang natin to sa isang pot. First, yung ating seared chicken. Then, yung white part or yung hard part ng ating napa cabbage. Ganon na rin yung ating carrots. And for the deep umami flavor, lalagyan natin to ng 1 tablespoon of dashi granules. Then, let's add 2 cups of water. Haluin lang natin gently. Then, cover na natin to at hintayin natin kumulo at hanggang sa lumambot na yung ating mga gulay. Once na make sure na natin naluto na ang lahat ng ingredients, pwede na nating ihalo yung ating green part or yung soft part ng napa cabbage. Mix it gently just to make sure na nasubmerge na siya dun sa mainit na sabaw. Then maglalagay tayo dito ng 1 cup of fresh milk. Then cover natin ulit hanggang sa kumulo lang. And to make this more flavorful, gagamit tayo ng 1 tablespoon of miso paste. At this point, ay pinatay ko na yung apoy, then gagamit ako ng salaan just to make sure na walang buo-buong miso paste dun sa ating sabaw. And finally, season it with more black ground pepper if you like. And if you notice, hindi na ako nag-add ng salt pa because yung dashi granules is quite salty na. But you can always taste it. If you want to add more, you may do so. At ito, ready to serve na nga ang ating masarap, mainit-init, creamy, milky na chicken, cabbage, and miso soup. I hope you can try this to mga ka-kitchen.